was just out here walking my dog, and I got thinking, can Tide Pods freeze? Well, I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna go buy some. I'm gonna leave them in overnight. Not just one night, for 7 nights. And we'll find out. So come with me on this adventure. Do Tide Pods freeze and survive? All right, going to Costco. So here we are at Costco. Got the pods. Let's freeze them. All right, here we are. 7 days later. Did the Tide Pods freeze? You tell me. It's been sitting for 7 days. So let's unplug. See what we got. There they are. 7 days. Still sealed. What happened? Okay, I got it open. Let's take a look. It's still cold. You see my breath, right? In there. They're wobbly. Got some tape on my finger. Look at this. That white stuff. It didn't really freeze. I'm really moving slowly. And they didn't pop. I can put my hand in there. They're cold. Don't get me wrong, they're cold. But they're still good. So, well, that concludes it. You really can freeze your Tide Pods. And they'll be ready for your next laundry experience. I'm Jamie. Have fun. Okay, so there might be some skepticism on whether or not the weather was actually cold enough. Me included in that. So, I'm gonna put them in a deep freeze. Not the whole bin because, you know, my deep freeze is full. So, there's my deep freezer. There's my pods. Let me grab a little handful. Oh, 3 of them are actually pretty big. Costco. Doing good. All right, in the deep freeze we go. I'll put one up, one down. All sides touching. Bam! 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 And now we wait. And now with the power of video editing, 24 hours has lapsed. Let's find out. Into the deep. There they are. Huh. They didn't stick to each other. Look at this. It's more like a gel. They're cold. They are freezing cold. All right. I think they survived. Kind of mushy. And now we'll let them de-thaw and see if they hold their shape. And just to prove that they are the frozen ones, here is one. Notice the white liquid moving around, moving around. Frozen one does not move around. Cold, warm, same. So 24 hours later, boom, a fully complete, fully intact, de-thawed Tide Pod. Can you freeze them? You go right ahead.